We interrupted your current broadcast to bring you this emergency broadcast system. For your own safety, close your windows with binds. Shut all entrances to your home. Stay indoors. This is the first ever AOE alarm. AOE is short for Anomalies on Earth. That's right, the US government has detected anomalies. These anomalies call themselves a Monke. Thankfully Monkes are friendly, research says. But there is another type of Monke. It is known as the lava Monke. This is what a Monke looks like. Please stand by for more information. Please stand by for more information. Please stand by for more information. We have discovered more information about Monkes. It turns out they can speak full English sentences. They said,
"Hello, I am a Monke. My name is Banana VR. We came from an alternate reality. Lava Monkeys were taking over our planet, so we built a rocket ship to Earth and went through an alternate wormhole just to get to Earth. The Lava Monkeys were in the ship with us the whole time. We really couldn't do anything. Now the Lava Monkeys have killed all of Columbus, Ohio. We left Ohio as soon as possible. I made it to Los Angeles, California in just 10 days non-stop. Now we have to save America. That is all. Goodbye. Talk to you later."
Their leader is J-Man Curly. If you hear the following, seek immediate shelter. Because it is the leader of the lava Monkes. Stay safe.